Going to read a book, Spooky Night, written by Kathy Smith, illustrated by Sam Georgioff. Black cat, what do you see? I see a brown bat flying by a tree. Look, there's a brown bat flying by the tree. Black cat, what do you hear? I hear a hoot owl somewhere very near. There's an owl here, and the cat is looking at the owl, and she hears the owl hoot. Black cat, what do you, why do you howl? I see some goblins coming here now. Look at these little goblins coming. Black cat, what will you say? Meow, meow. Then I'll run away. Look at the cat. What does the cat say? Meow. And she's running away. Black cat, what will you do? I will climb a big fence and I'll scare them. Boo! The end.